Hello, I'm your host Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you step by step how to create a YouTube channel. The first thing you will need to do, once on google.com, you're going to type in YouTube, then you're going to select the first option. Once you have selected the first option, all you'll need to do now is go over to the top right hand corner. So you're going to go over to the top right hand corner, right where you see your profile right here, and you're going to simply tap right there. After you have tapped on that, from there you can sign in if you aren't already signed in. Once you have done that, what I want you to do next, right where you see YouTube Studio, you're going to tap on that. By selecting YouTube Studio, you will be redirected to this page. And on this page, I want you to do some stuff for me. So you're going to tap on continue right here. After tapping on continue, what you'll need to do next is you're going to go over to the left hand menu option. And from here, I want you to tap on settings. Once you have tapped on settings, you're going to select the currency that you would like to use. So you can tap on currency right here and you can select the currency that you would like to use. Then you're also going to tap on channel. After you have tapped on channel, from here you can enter your keywords. You can also select your country of residence, and you're going to tap on advanced settings. By tapping on advanced settings, you can select whether you're providing content that may be suitable for kids or not. So you can select that right there. Then you can also scroll down and you can see Google Ads account linking. So if you'd want to enable automatic captions and do not show potential inappropriate words, I would recommend that you select that right there. And another thing, if you want to allow viewers to clip your content, you can tick this box. If you don't want them to do that, you can simply untick the box. And you are going to scroll back up and you are going to select feature eligibility. After you have done that, you'll see the standard features, so you'll be able to upload videos, create playlists, and add collaborators. But to activate intermediate features, you'll need to tap right here to enable it. And to enable it normally requires that you will do some form of verification purpose. So for example, you'll need to verify your phone number. And by verifying your phone number, you'll be able to upload videos that are longer than 15 minutes. And you'll also be able to add custom thumbnails and do live streaming. After you have enabled that, you can tap on advanced features. So for advanced features, again, you'll need to verify your ID, as you can see right here. And that normally takes within an hour to 24 hours for that to be verified. These features, you'll be able to appeal content ID claims, create more live stream dailies, and upload more videos daily, as you can see right here. You'll also be able to add external links in the video description, and you'll be eligible to apply for monetization. So you definitely need to enable this. Once you have done doing that, you're going to tap on upload defaults. So if you have a set description that you would like to add, you can do that right there. And you can also enable visibility right here. So you can select whether all of your videos will always be public. And if you have a certain set of tags that you would like to target, you can enter them right here. By entering these are upload defaults, so that means that it will be on all of your videos that you upload. You can also tap on advanced settings. From here, you can select the category for the type of videos that you'll be uploading, whether you're uploading comedy, you're uploading entertainment videos, you're uploading gaming videos, or how to and style videos. You can select it right there. If you'd also like YouTube to automatically chapter your videos, you can select this. And you can scroll down. You can also select the language that you want. So your typical video language. And you can select your title and caption language right there. Now, by tapping on permissions from this section, if you like to invite someone else onto your YouTube channel, You could do that by tapping on invite right here. Then you'll simply enter the user email address. Then you'll tap right where you see access. So whether this is an editor, a subtitle editor, or a manager, you can select their role right there. After you have done all of that, all you'll need to do is tap on save in the bottom right hand corner to save the changes. Now once you have done all of that, I want you to go over to the left hand menu option once more. And you're going to scroll down and we're going to be selecting customization. So you're going to tap on customization. By selecting customization, this is how you can edit the layout of your channel. So for instance, you can see the channel trailer right here, which will be the video that persons will see who haven't subscribed to your channel. So that is the first video that they will see. So you could tap on add and you could create that. If you would like to create featured videos for returning subscribers, so highlight a video, you could tap on add and you can add a specific video. And a new feature that YouTube came out with in late 2023 is the recommendations for your viewers. With this, as you can see, YouTube will recommend fresh content based on your viewers' interests. In this section at the top of your channel page, this will only be visible to your viewers when you have enough content. So after you have continually been posting content, YouTube will select specific videos depending on the viewer liking from your channel. So they'll see that directly as they enter your channel. And you can see the featured sections. So you have the shorts and you have the videos. Then if you would like to edit your branding, you could tap on branding. So for example, if you would like to add a video. So for example, if you would like to add a profile pic, you can do that. And the platform that I would recommend to create a profile pic for your YouTube channel is none other than Canva.com. Canva.com is a platform that you can sign up for free to create different designs. And as a YouTuber, it will definitely be one of your best friends. All you'll need to do is go onto Canva. From there, you can tap on the search bar and you could type in YouTube. So let's do that real quick. Once you have typed in YouTube, you can see numerous options right here. So we're going to be typing in YouTube and we'll select profile. So we'll select YouTube profile picture. After you have done that, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll see numerous templates that you can choose from. So all you'll need to do is select a template of your liking. Keep in mind that the templates with the cash sign or the crown sign, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use that particular template. But there are numerous free templates that you can use. All you'll need to do is scroll down till you see one of your liking. So let's say for example's sake, I would like to use this one. You could simply tap on it. After you have selected it, you can scroll down and you'll see similar templates to that one that you can also choose from. And once you find one that you like, so let's say this one right here, I'll tap on customize this template. Then you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, for example, you'll be able to add your own picture. So you could change the pic right here and you could add your own picture. If it is a case that you don't want a picture there, you want instead, you could go over to the left hand menu option and you could tap on text. And from there, you can add text as you can see right here. So you can simply select the text style that you want to use. If you want to add an image, you can tap on uploads and you'll be able to upload your own image. Or you can tap on elements from the top. And then from there, you can type in the type of image that you want. So let's say, for example, I'm creating a YouTube channel for my dog. I could simply type in dog, then tap on see all for photos. Then you could scroll down. Let's say I want to use this image. I could simply drag and place it as you can see right there. Then tap on share in the top right hand corner. Scroll down, tap on download. Then you'll simply tap on download to download it. Once it has been downloaded, all you'll need to do now is go back onto YouTube. Then from there, I could tap on change. Then I could select the image that I have downloaded, and you can see it right there. Then tap on done. Now the image will change, as you can see right there. You can also use Canva to create a banner image. To do that, you'll simply go back onto Canva. Then you'll tap on the X right here, and we're going to tap back on home. Then we're going to simply type in the search bar right here, YouTube banner, and you can see it right there. You can tap on that. Then from there you could scroll down and you can select from one of the beautiful templates that Canva will provide. So all you have to do, depending on the type of channel that you're creating, you can tap on one of their templates. Let's say this one, and you could tap on customize this template. After selecting customize this template, you'll be able to add your own personal touches to the template. Then you'll be able to save it just like what I showed you earlier. And also you can scroll down, and if you would like to add a watermark, you can do that. So you can see add image for watermark. You'll simply tap on upload to add a watermark. And to add in the video watermark for YouTube, all you'll need to do is open up a new tab, and I recommend that you type in YouTube watermark 150 by 150, as you'll need a 150 by 150 pixel PNG or GIF to add. So we're going to simply select this one. After you have selected it, all you'll need to do is simply right click, tap on save image, and then from there you'll be able to save the image. Once you have done that, you're going to go back into YouTube, select upload. Then once you have selected upload, you're going to select the watermark that we have downloaded, and you can see it right there. And you want to ensure that the back is clear, as you can see, or better yet transparent, as you can see right there. Then tap on done. Then you can see our watermark has been added, as you can see right there. Now all we'll need to do is simply tap on publish to save the changes, and that's it. Once you have tapped on publish, for example, let me do that real quick, you will realize that the profile image has changed, and you will also see if you were to publish a video, you'll realize that it now has a watermark added. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. And by the way, once you have created your first video, to upload it, all you'll need to do is tap on create. Then from there you could tap on upload videos, and you'll be able to upload your video. You'll also be able to go live, and if you like to create a community post, you can do that. You can also create new playlists or podcasts, as you can see right there. And all of these you can create using Canva, which is why I recommend Canva for anyone that is planning to do basically anything on the internet, as you can use it to do graphic design or anything at all. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.